It certainly is a nice day to be a birdie. Since I can't have my OG ears back, I guess I have to resort to these bird ears instead. It's so not fair how I can't have my normal ears, but Henrietta gets her golden beans. Anyway, I'm just gonna chill as a birdie for now.
A few moments later.
Wait a diddly darn second. I just realized. I'm not flying. I forgot to move my wings. Oh god no, I think I'm gonna fall to the ground. Oh no, here I go. Ha ha ha. Fooled you all. I survived. I'm the Tony Bird. I never die. I stuck the landing. Well, long time no see. I'm back and better than ever. It's-a me, Tony Bird. Y'all really thought I died? Well, you were all wrong. I've been in meme hibernation, and now I'm revived and I look way better now. It's so good to be back. Well, I'll see y'all around. Oh crap, I just realized that this was just an entire fourth wall break. Just pretend that I wasn't talking to you. Anyway, adios amigos.